MCC class, Auto Collision. This is Richie. He runs the class. Let's find out a little bit about the class. What you guys do? Why would we want to do this?
I love it. Well, thanks for coming today, guys. My name is Richie Mitten. I teach the Auto Collision program for MCC. Super happy. I'm starting my 14th year with the college. Been in the industry for roughly about 30 years. Coming straight from the industry, it's awesome to teach the students some collision skills, get them ready to work in a body shop. Body shop careers, there's a ton of them available, especially in our small towns between Bullhead, Havasu, and Kingman. I try to supply as many of the body shops as I can with valuable employees. It's a one-year program, 3 certificates per year. Each semester is a different certificate. Right now my class is running in the background. They're on the bodywork certificate. Each of my certificates are based off of 6 to 7 little miniature courses. The cool thing is with that, the students feel like they're accomplishing, the whole semesters are moving along, and then they keep learning new skills, which is going to help them become better at in the body shops in the collision world. Next, my students will get into their refinishing certificates, so they're going to learn everything about painting a car. And then over the summer, they learn estimating and business management. So we kind of cover a little bit of everything with the program. As we were talking earlier, there's always a place for somebody in the collision world. Just finding out what students are interested in and what they're really good at, that's usually the difficult part. But being able we cover so much, it's pretty easy at the end to nail down where their strengths and weaknesses are.
Let's talk a little bit about the project you have going on back here.
So this is actually one of my high school students' vehicles. Super proud of it. You can tell that he's kind of still learning to drive, which is okay. The good thing is it turned into a really good project for both of my classes. So my bodywork class right now that runs in the afternoon, this has been their assessment. There is book work, there is online assignments that they do, but we really try to get them comfortable with what they're doing with their hands, obviously for a hands-on trade type of a program. So this class for their bodywork assessment, this is a beginning bodywork class. So for their assessment for this course, obviously everybody got a dent. There was enough dents on this vehicle that everybody kind of got to specialize with their own dent. And this is what they're going to earn their grade on for this particular course. The other cool thing with this particular project, once they are done, my refinishing class in the morning, they're going to get to paint the vehicle. So this is going to cover both of my classes that I'm running right now. And it really works out good too, not only for the teamwork for this class, but now my painting class can also kind of understand what they're going to run into at a real collision shop when it comes to working with a body man and working with a painter.
Very cool. Hey Heather, would you like to come tell us a little bit about what you learned?
Yeah.
Hi Heather, thank you for being willing to talk with us. We'd love to know a little bit about what you learned and kind of what your goal is in this class.
Being in this program, I was able to focus, really get an understanding of this industry, what auto collision repair. I definitely want to get into restoration, but that is a whole other side. And we don't even touch up on restoration simply because this is so much to cram into 1 year. It's amazing.
Well, so you are going to leave here kind of knowing more what specialty you want to do, and you'll have the certifications to do that.
Correct. As well as understanding that activity.
Look at that. Congratulations. Thank you for being part of the woman power in this town.
Definitely. Appreciate it.
Hey guys, I'm here with Sky. I'd love to hear about your transition. I mean, you're directly out of high school and you have big plans.
Fresh out of high school, my cousin, shout out Abraham, he got me into this class. I mean, I'm enjoying it. All this is new to me. Never worked with stuff like this before. All new to me, so great to learn new things.
What do you see yourself doing in the future with your certificate?
We've been talking about even owning our own body shop, so that'd be a nice little thing to get.
Very cool. And you're learning how the paperwork side of it works, not just the physical side. So that's beneficial for all of us.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much. And thank you for sharing your story. Good luck out there.
Thank you.
Hey guys, just in case you're wondering, after this video, you're going to know the questions will be answered. All you do is come and see Richie and he's going to get you all set up. Well, you have to go through administration first, but you know how that goes. See you soon.